Okay, we have the Taurus sitting on the floor. We're using the input, and I've changed the radius to 5, and then I'm going to change the span sections to 16, give it a little bit more definition, and I'll change the height ratio from point 0.5 to um, 0, 0.05. That'll make it a little thinner, and it look more like a kind of a hoop. I'm going to go back up to the channel box in NURBS Taurus input, and I'm going to rotate this so that it will be standing up at a 90-degree angle. So I'll go to rotate Z 90, and I, what I'm going to do here is translate this up. I can just kind of pull it up, make sure I'm translating it in Y, which will take it up, and I'll use 10 units, and that takes it up about where I want it to be. And I can kind of look at it here in my perspective and see how the ball relates to the hoop, and I can see it in the other views. So I'm at frame 1. I'm going to move over and to frame 10, so that's where the ball will be, and I'm going to click on the ball, and I will take it up so that it will be kind of like the ball began to bounce at this point. So I'm kind of pulling it up so it's about midway in the bottom of the hoop, and I'll set a frame there. So at frame 10 the ball is up, and now I'm going to do a keyframe at frame 30, which is about midway where the ball should actually be bouncing through the hoop. So I'll give it a certain amount of space, give it the cover at frame 30 to cover the bottom of the hoop, and I'll click a frame, and I'm going to take it to frame 50, and that's where the ball is kind of coming back down and it's bounced again, and so I'll put it about there, and I'll set another key. You know that I already have keyframes at 20 and at 40. So what I've done is 10, 30, and 50. And now if I pull it across, you can kind of see that the ball goes up and down related to the positions on the keyframe. Now, we'll have to make that ball look a little bit more presentable later